Alright guys, so pretty much an update on what I'm doing. I'm at a new spot. I've done a whole different camping tour this time around. I'll just sit down. I've just thrown the line out. It was a bit of a nightmare last. I think it was last week or the week before I was supposed to do a camping video on the long weekend, and we sort of got, well, I got dumbfounded by the rain that we had. It sort of put a hold on everything. Roads were flooded. We had to wait for people to get to the site. Then my mum decided to come down last minute. So I didn't really want to film while she was there. So I got a little bit of footage which I'll play after this. Righto guys, I didn't set up before. It's raining massively here. I just got the big set up on. The Campfire. It's a blow up sort of a tent style. It's pretty sick. It's absolutely bucketing down here. So we've got getting away for about 3 nights. The family's not coming until 8:30. The bridges are closed. It's crazy weather out here, as you can see. It's been non-stop. I got drenched the whole way through. There's like cops and SES with flooded roads that we got through. Some cars turned back, but I kept going. I just raced the setup, so I didn't get a video of the setup, but I'm gonna get a fire going soon. As soon as this rain, it should be dying off. It reckons it's clearing, but I don't know. But we're out at down the south coast, so we'll do a bit of fishing tomorrow. I didn't have a chance today, unfortunately, so it is what it is. Just got to push through it. But I'm hoping to get some fishing done tomorrow. I've got some more things I've got to unpack before the kids get here, but yeah, we're away and we've got another video on the way, so stay tuned. Righto guys, we're here now. Got to the beach. It was actually a bit of a trek. I might take a video on the way back up to get here from the spot where we're camping. It's starting to get into king tide here, so we've got just a normal setup on the beach, which is just the, you can see it up there, the gang hooks, and we're going to put a pilly on. The water looks good, so I'm hoping just to fish straight up in front here. There's guys over there that just caught, but yeah, we just got here now, so I'll put the head band on with the GoPro and hopefully we catch something, because now's the perfect time. So stay tuned. Cheers. Mum's on. Hold this. Hold this one. I gotta go see what Mum's got. You might get bites. Hold it up. Go, Mama Bear. Why? You know you wheel it in. It doesn't work like that leash. Go. What do we got? A salmon probably. Yeah, she is. Beautiful. Oh, funny dolls. Nice. Let's go. That's a nice one.
Straight away.
Yep. Go, Oliver. You got something? Has he got something, Nicholas? No, he'll be right. Oliver, have you got something? No, I just want to get this leash. Still good, chill. He'll be right. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Straight away, I was like, okay, that's
straight. Perfect. I think my son's got something now, straight off the bat. 2 casts. Let's see that. Have you got something?
Looks like it.
Keep going.
No, I think it's gone. Yeah, it's gone.
I knew that was the case. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Are you sure you heard something?
Yeah, I heard something. It was sounding right. I heard bites.
You heard bites? You don't hear them, mate. You feel them. Alright, let me see now. No, you said you had bites, man. No, nothing. I'll just throw this one back out, we'll go have a look at that fish. She's asking for you. Righto, Nikki, let's go measure this bad boy. Watch out.
Holy, big flatty.
It's a nice flatty. It's definitely a keeper, but we want to see how big it is. Hit her.
Whoa.
Lovely. Alright, we're going to dispatch this one and keep her. And yeah, on to the next bit. Hopefully we caught another one by that time. I caught a flathead, or my missus caught a flathead, sorry. And yeah, that's really the footage. I think I got some footage of the rain. The rain was torrential, but I'm out down south coast again for 2 nights. We're fishing now. We've got the rod out over here. But I don't know. We sort of missed the good tide, but it is what it is. So I'll just put the headband on and throw a few times out. Hopefully catch something, because these places are pretty desolate in a sense and no one's really around here, so I mean, I've thrown closer to the rocks, but this isn't really like beachy, it's more bays. So I'll try this way. There's a beach over the other side that I might try tomorrow and try my luck there, but I'm hoping to catch something. You never know, you always throw it out, but I'm cooking good food this one, so you'll get videos of all that and everything else, so just bear with us. And I rushed out here to get this one done because of the fortnight ago I couldn't get that video in, so hopefully we get some good content. Stay tuned. I don't know what it is. Decent, might be the shark. Is it decent? No. What is it? Oh, beautiful. Straight up, boys, get in. That's a nice size one. Let's get that away for a second. Oh, beautiful. Nice little salmon. Let's go. That is red hot, straight off the bat. It's a good sign. Now, normally I have someone else with me here, but not today. That's a nice size, look at that. Beautiful. Let's get the mat out before I take him off. Skin them up. Here. 50 centimeter. Perfect. Alright, let's get rid of him. Dispatch him. Second cast. I come here a couple of weeks ago now, I never caught anything, so I'm cheering. Salmon. I mean, you're gonna get it down here too this winter, but we caught quickly and the tide's going out and it's low tide, so happy days, cannot complain. A lot better of a result than I was expecting. I got snagged on the first cast. I'm thinking to myself, this is all over. It's a sign. But in we get that. It is, dude. Dude, this thing's whoa, this is not a fish. Whoa, bro, this is not a fish. Dude, this thing is just spooling line. That's like a stingray or a shark, I can tell by the pull. Dude, look how much it's taking. What the fuck is this thing? I'm gonna lock neck monster, boys. Godzilla. I'm gonna tighten my drag up until dude, this thing is huge. There's no way this thing's busting. This thing's gonna bust. Oh no, that's not happening. This thing is so big. There's no way I'm pulling it in, whatever it is. No. Dude. No. Just took off again. Dude, whatever it is, it's behemoth. I'm gonna have to snap it off. Oh, I think it just went. Just got off. Oh, that thing was massive. I don't know what it was, but it was not budging. I would not want to be in the water if I was them. It snapped me off for sure. I would not want to be in the water if I was those guys surfing. I'll tell you that much right now. That thing just completely snapped me off. I didn't have a chance. I could tell when I was pulling I didn't have anything. It was massive. I think it might be time to upgrade on the 50 pound. I would not want to be those guys, like I said. That was something decent. I gotta re-rig up. That cloud out there doesn't look too good. A whole bunch of rain coming there it looks like, so I haven't had one bite, so I think we're going to go home and get the fire on. Come back tomorrow. Terrible, terrible form. Oh, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, these are fire letters. Hold up, my guy. Get up. If that did not like that, then I was going to be like, come on. Let's get this thing cranking. I don't know if you can see them. There's one up over there. Hopefully they're looking for fish. Alright guys, it's day 2. Last night we caught the 50 centimetre salmon. I was actually hoping to go up on the rock wall over there, but it looks like it's all eroded away, so you can't really walk to the point. I'm going to walk around to the other side of the beach here. It's coming into like the major tide as well, so I mean, I brought the little rod with me thinking that I was going to do some lure fishing off the rocks, but I think I might have got myself in a bit of trouble with that. I don't know how it's going to be. I'm going to walk up to the other point here, probably 15 minutes, but if not, maybe I'll just fish for flathead along the shoreline here, see how we go. I'm going to go back and get my big rod and come back around the 3 o'clock mark, but I like the little rod. It gives up a good little fight. It's like if you catch a flathead or something on it, going all good. It's more enjoyable than the beach rod, so I brought it. I might as well use it. I'm going to get away from all the people down there as well, so all the surfers. But I'm going to walk up this point and see what it offers, and if not, we'll just be fishing these shorelines. Stay tuned. Spot we wanted to go to, someone else is already there, so we're just going to stop around here. I'm going to get the lure on soon. Lured. Let's try it. This lure here, I've had no love on it whatsoever. Let's try something else a bit random. Let's go. Let's try this one. That's right, I like those ones because they've got that metal one because it's got the weight in it. What am I going to do? Maybe we'll just go to bait. We'll just go to bait, stop it. Let's see. I'm not getting anything from there. I've changed to bait as well, so I'm just on prawns, so let's see how we go. I'll come back out this afternoon with the beach rod and the pillies. I might fish back over here though. I reckon it'd be all right with the beach rod. But hopefully this area over here is not too bad. Looks a little bit better. Didn't catch anything. I got absolutely nothing, so pretty disappointed with that, not even a bite. I'm gonna go back to the site, get some things organized and get the beach rod set up. And I was thinking about coming back over this way. I've got a stick set up over there, so I know, but it looks a lot better out here than what I expected. I'm used to fishing up over here at the sort of access of the beach. They only come here for a night or so, because I've got 2 nights I actually walk down this way and the water's a lot better, so we might go beach fishing up here later on this afternoon. Hopefully we catch something. But I'll keep you updated. Definitely a lot going on. Alright, so we're back to Savo. Starting to rain a bit actually, there's a fair few clouds out that way. I'm hoping it misses us. I think it just passed us quickly, but I've got the spot on a bit earlier than what I predicted before with the stick. I think the stick's a bit further down here, but it looks like there's a nice little hole here, so let's try that. See how we go. Let's go. Go, baby. That someone was biting it. What is it? Another salmon? Get in. Is it? Oh, that's a beautiful salmon. Get in, lad. Buzzing. Absolutely. I felt something biting on it and I got it. In the rain too. Alright, that's definitely a keeper. Oh. Let's go, baby. Alright, let's get it all out, no mucking around. Oh, he spat it. Wow. Oh, did he? Might as well have. Thank you, my good sir. Alright, what do you reckon? I reckon it's the 50 centimetre mark for sure. Oh. Alright. Moment of truth. Yeah, 50 centimetres again. Perfect. Look at it jumping everywhere. Thinking it's got a Anyway, there we go. Beautiful. It looks like it's set in too. Both ways. Sandwich. That's me. The last bait I got a bit of bite, a couple of bites. Other than that I was getting nothing. It's really cold now. The rain's on and off over this way. I mean, the water's there. I'm gonna go for a swim. I'm not gonna go straight in front. I'm gonna head to the right there, obviously, because it's a bit safer next to the rocks. I'm gonna go for a swim, and the GoPro's going to be off because it's going to be absolutely freezing. So I'm not looking forward to it. The water's warm, but when you get out of the water, it's like icy wind. So I'm gonna man up and get in there because I want to have a swim. But that's pretty much it. I'm going to cook chicken central burgers tonight. So that will be the next clip most likely with the fire. But I need to get back soon because it took a while for the fire to get started last night and I was freezing. So I'm jumping in the water. I'm getting out of here very quickly. And then I'm putting that fire on. So stay tuned for dinner. Will be a little bit later on. So we're doing like crumb cutlets for an entree. I just put the chicken centrals in. I forgot the video, my bad. Chicken central burgers coming up. Cutlets are red hot too. We'll raise it up. Oh, that is hilarious.
I'll have that one.
I don't care what one I have.
I'll have the one without.
I'm not even gonna try.